Hello my friends, today we get the usual vegetables. We mix it very small because today we get spinach and potatoes and eggs. The potatoes are already cooking, it takes another 5 minutes. And the eggs are all cooking also, but only 3 and the other 3 come sunny side up. So the spinach is in the pan. It takes maybe 5 minutes to get small. So the spinach is now in the pan. It's just getting ready. It is wonderful, and you just wait for the eggs. They're still cooking and they are now fried. So this is one of the meals with the sunny side up. The other one gets it cooked. So that is the last of my plate.